Imagine a service that revolutionizes the way we experience events. Welcome to Bourbon City Golf Carts' specialized rental services. This innovative solution enhances the way we navigate weddings, golf outings, county fairs, festivals, concerts, and campgrounds. With inclusivity and convenience in mind, the company provides a fleet of late-model carts, all equipped with tops and lights, ready to cater to any event, big or small. Daily, weekly, and monthly rates are available, with discounted rates for large events and seasonal leases. This initiative goes beyond making event planning more accessible. It ensures that guests enjoy unmatched mobility and comfort. One satisfied customer couldn't help but rave about their experience with Bourbon City Golf Carts, saying, "Found our awesome Blue Forester 4+ at the Louisville Boat and RV Show. The team was professional, personable, and incredibly helpful. When our cart was delivered, they took the time to explain everything in detail, ensuring we were confident in operating it. Everyone at Bourbon City Golf Carts were absolutely wonderful. I will definitely be doing business with them again." This testimonial is a testament to the company's dedication to providing top-notch mobility solutions. The new rental service is anticipated to exceed the mobility needs of event planners and attendees, further cementing Bourbon City Golf Carts' position as a powerhouse in the industry. Hailing from the vibrant heart of southern Indiana, Bourbon City Golf Carts prides itself on enhancing customer satisfaction, affordability, and community engagement through their innovative mobility solutions. Offering a vast selection of golf carts designed for leisure, utility, and everything in between, Bourbon City Golf Carts is unwavering in its commitment to improving community mobility. They hold a profound commitment to ensuring an unmatched ownership experience for every customer. For more information, do visit Bourbon City Golf Carts, where mobility meets innovation.